Simple search for bookings. The search screen is used to search for bookings in the system. The most recent bookings are placed at the top of the list, the oldest bookings at the bottom. The search screen gives a simple history of a booking by displaying its progress. The search fields can be used to filter your search. You may still be presented with multiple pages. By default, you will be shown the 20 most recent results. However, you can click all to view all of the bookings, or you can use the arrows to move through the pages. The results can be sorted by pressing one of the column headers. When one of the displayed jobs is selected, the operator can double-click on the job to bring up the booking screen. Fields on the booking screen will be populated with the details from the job that was selected. This feature can be used to view job details not visible in the search screen. You are also able to modify details of a job not yet completed, or to add booking remarks to a completed job. By right-clicking on any booking, you are able to copy the booking and create a new booking with the same details pre-filled. Right-clicking also gives the option to print the displayed booking.